Hello, this is Gare Moore, and today we have another Arduino project. This time it involves a DHT11 humidity sensor. The project is a Humidistat, to control the humidifier. It says right now the humidity is 57%, and the set point is 52%. What happens if we raise the set point? An LED comes on. This red LED is like our humidifier relay. Once the humidity gets above 59, once it gets above that, just blowing on the humidity sensor there, you see it goes away. I wish I could get both of them in the shot. Once the humidity comes down, this red light will come on once again. It's very similar to the thermostat project that I did before on this channel. I'm going to show you the hardware. Oh, there's a red LED again because the humidity dropped. There's the set point buttons to changing the set point, and the DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor, and we got the red LED as basically our indicator, and then we got an LCD display, and of course the Arduino Uno. It's also showing humidity and temperature readings on the serial port window here. If I can get it to focus. There isn't really much to show here. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.